On an early spring day, I continue my journey on the Sichuan Plain with my new guide, Li Wei. He's been working in the architecture-related field for 25 years and is now engaged in the research, development, and application of eco-friendly building materials.
老师，那您是怎么对传统建筑感兴趣的？
我一直做木材保护这块工作。我们以前呢，就是古建里面、传统建筑里面就用了很多木材。传统建筑里有一些木材保护的一些工艺，我们一直在学习和传承。
Li loves traveling. With his background, he's discovered many interesting and unique architectural styles during his journeys.
徐老师，我带你见这位老哥，他是做苗木的，我是做竹子的，都是与大自然打交道的。
那太棒了。
廖哥，廖哥，
哎，廖老师，是老师吗？哎，老师好，
徐老师啊，
玩儿长。
好嘞，好嘞。
没事啊。
This is the Egret Garden. The floor area of the residence covers about 600 square meters. It is where the past lives on. Bricks, tiles, wooden structures and stone sculptures, all age-old, in fact hundreds of years old, as the owner explains.
自己的有些东西，你把那废物利用起来。因为我走了很多地方嘛，比如说有些石头啊、瓦啊，还有那些青砖啊，像有一些那个上面那个脊，就是我们切过去切的，切起来过后，然后拿回来又安装。古人的东西我们能留一些嘛。虽然说现在这个新时代了，但我们觉得古的东西呢有古人的一些信息在里面，从里面能摸索一些东西出来。
Liao's home is an amalgamation of architectural styles of the past several dynasties. Old things are his passion, if not obsession. He started collecting building materials from demolished old houses in 2000. In the architectural world, the official building of each dynasty has its own operating system and standard. But due to different regions, climate, culture, financial and material resources, private structures normally present a more personalized style.
有清朝的，又有明朝的，又有民国的，说不定是还有很久远的都有，就是感觉哈比较匹配，我们就把它装上去。对我来说，这个建筑就是一个个人爱好，就是个个人爱好。我觉得。要把它的要想咋个传承啊，我们肯定是没那个能力。
Liao did the overall architectural design himself and hired workers to build it. It took him 4 years to finally establish his pastoral home. The estate gets its name from the more than 4,000 egrets that live here. Besides the private family quarters, there are 4 guest rooms with 8 beds for those who really love the tranquility here. Why not build more guest rooms?
能静得下心来还是比较少，对，反而对我们是个好事，因为我们的鸟它来繁殖，如果游客多了，反而还对鸟有一些干扰。
It's all about love and respect, as well as his commitment to traditional culture and Mother Nature. Liao Quanfu and his family are dedicating their lives to the preservation of old buildings and environmental protection. On the way to our next destination is another of Li Wei's discoveries, a newly built B&B in the middle of nowhere. Li says its exterior design uses typical Western Sichuan architectural style. and I'm happy that tradition continues.